Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I show you how to make the toast smoked salmon Caesar salad. Let's see what we are putting there. First we will take a GMP lettuce, smoked salmon, kalamata, 2 type of cherry tomato, Caesar dressing, Ansjovis, our garnishing, parmesan cheese and baked toast. First we will make the salmon flour. Then we will make little toast. But keep mopping, don't keep stay one time, so it's getting black. So done. Let's we will start our salad. First we will put GMP lettuce. Then we will put our Caesar dressing. We put our salmon, toast, cherry tomato, kalamata, Ansjovis, with the toasted bread. That one should be oregano, garlic and olive oil. So now we have put some cucumber garnish before we are making. Take radish, we have put tulsi leaves, parmesan cheese we have put on the top, and last moment we have put some dressing in the top. Almost done our salad. And thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like, comment and share. See you for another new video. Till then, bye bye.